Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids Channel. Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids Channel. Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids Channel.
Welcome back, kiddos. Today, you learn sentences on the, and, of, in, a. Are you ready? So let's go.
The. I ate the apple. I ate the apple. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. And I see a cat and a dog. I see a cat and a dog. And I have a pen and a book. I have a pen and a book. Of. There are lots of flowers. There are lots of flowers. Of. The cup is full of milk. The cup is full of milk. In. The dog is in the tub. The dog is in the tub. In. We play in the park. We play in the park. A. I can see a fish. I can see a fish. A. She has a red balloon. She has a red balloon. Thanks for watching full video. Thanks for watching full video. Like, comment, and subscribe this channel. Like, comment, and subscribe this channel. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.